Hello, welcome to making your own phraseology game. First thing you do, you go to the phraseology template, which I have here, and you have to join Scratch or sign in. So I'll sign in. Now that you joined Scratch, you can sign in and remix. And you can name it anything you want. I'm going to say phraseology. Code.org, computer science principles, and then unit 1, because that's what I'm going to do. Now, I click, I'll leave these up for you guys. Alright, these are up, and so I'll add some definitions and words. Now, these are my words and definitions for the code.org APCSP Unit 1. This is bit is the word, and the definition is contraction. So now I add these in pairs, always in pairs. So I'll copy and paste. Always in pairs. Now if you have a lot of definitions, words and definitions, this will take a while. There's another way to import, but that's another video. I also added some fun quotes at the end there from Yogi Berra, Thomas Edison, and Socrates. So now that you have that, you made your word list and everything, you should be ready to go. I suggest you test it out, see if everything works, and good luck. Have fun.